In these pandemic times, we need to be extra careful and make sure that we don't get contaminated with viruses and bacteria. We need to be fully equipped and adapt to any situation. Especially if you have offices or own establishments that caters people. You need to keep it clean for the safety of the people and your family as well. I decided to have this UVC sterilization lamp, which we will make a review in this video, coming right up. Welcome to JOATMOS Zone, your jack of all trades, master of some, helping you decide what's worth for your bucks in less time. There are two versions of UVC sterilization lamp, the ozone and non-ozone version. For our room, we have decided to go for the non-ozone version because we have a dog. I would recommend the non-ozone for your home, while the ozone for your business establishment. When your business establishment closes, turn on the ozone sterilization lamp and it will sterilize the whole area. You will need to wait an hour after the ozone sterilization lamp turns off before you can enter. Unlike the non-ozone, you can immediately enter after the lights turn off. We will proceed with the unboxing. Don't be surprised when you turn the power button on. It has a 30 seconds countdown before the lights turn on. Now, red light for 15 minutes, green light for 30 minutes, white light for 1 hour. After the specified time, it will automatically turn off. In comparison, the non-ozone can only reach areas where the light could reach. Ozone can penetrate to porous areas or anything that has a hole. It includes your clothes. Ozone gas can eliminate odor. As mentioned before, you need an hour before you can enter the ozone-exposed area. Warning: what to avoid. Ozone is not recommended to individuals with respiratory problems. You need to keep it away from children. Store in cool places. Do not leave it unplugged. I love this product, you just need to use it responsibly to increase your health safety. That's it for this video. See you in the next.